Check the accessories. Check the cabinet size. Use electric grading to punch holes. Place embedded cabinet in the cabinet and hold it firm. Connect the power supply. Start the switch. The light comes on and glass panel retracted upwards. Mounting screws. Install glass panel clamps and panel heightening shafts. Install glass panel. Install round switch. Touch the switch. Open the embedded cabinet. The installation is complete.